they have done it. Nobody expected them to do it, but they have done it. And they've got a story going at this World Cup. And suddenly the mood in this power play is England might just go all the way. This might just be England's story at Cricket World Cup 2011. Hello, I'm Anand Narasimhan. With me, Mandira Bedi. Lovely to have you. And of course, our panel of experts. Mike Gadding, very happy man, beaming, the blazer on. Atul Wasan, Boria Mazumdar, and of course, big hello to Arun Lal in Kolkata.
Hello, hi.
Oh, he's sounding very down and out.
It's too late.
Wasn't that a very, very exciting match, Arun? England have done it again. One more exciting game in this World Cup.
Yeah, Mandira, it certainly was, and England have made a habit of it. So, Anand just may be right when he says that this could be England's World Cup. Because if you come out of such tight corners, you may be destined for great things.
Well, the person who is destined for great things is Strauss. I mean, that was some incredible captaincy there. Okay, the first innings didn't really go their way. They were probably 20, 30 runs short. But some incredible captaincy in terms of field placements, in terms of bowling changes. They just kept it really tight.
You know, the only thing I think he probably did wrong was not open with both off spinners against Gale. But to have a short leg to get Sarwan, that was a big, big wicket, and it really gave the bowlers a bit of heart then. But very, very fine bit of captaincy. Boys kept their heads. One or two decisions didn't go with them, and they did really well. I have to say, I'll hold my hands up and say I thought we'd lost the match. I really did.
Yeah, on the way to the studio, Mike Gadding had thought that, okay, I got to talk about England out of the Cricket World Cup and what about, I prepared a long speech for that. But Mike, you've changed it all that. Now, let's get to our Indian panel here, especially because we're all looking at this match and saying, what does India have to do against the West Indies now? What are the things that we can learn? Atul Wasan, what are you thinking as you're looking at the follow wickets?
Oh my God, it was a weird game, but I must give full marks to Andrew Strauss. I think it was brilliant captaincy. He kept his cool. England has played some scratchy cricket. There were parts where they were actually good, but I think more or less they were not good. I don't think so they will go all the way with this kind of performance. They can change around. They haven't got their first 11 settled yet. They won this one, but I think because West Indies played worse than them, that's why. But I think looking at it, half of Bangladesh is to mourning now, and they'll have to wait till the 20th.
Well,